Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Today's topic is all about clarity and purpose. Dear friends, focus on a clear objective for your project. Building a machine learning system without a well-defined objective is like a sailing yacht without a compass. You will likely to drift off course, wasting time and resources. So every machine learning project should begin with the question, what specific outcome do I want to achieve? Let's break this down with an example. So imagine you are tasked with building a machine learning system for an e-commerce platform. What's the objective? The first one, if it's to recommend products, then your system's success might be measured by the click-through rate on those recommendations. Next, if it's to detect fraud, your success might be reducing false positives or catching fraudulent transactions earlier. So without a clear objective, your effort will be scattered and your model's performance will be difficult to evaluate. Why clear objectives matter? The first one, guides data collection. Yes, dear friends, your objective determines the type of the data you need. For instance, if your goal is to predict customer trends, you will need historical data about the user interactions, purchases, and cancellations. So without a clear goal, you might collect irrelevant data, which complicates your task. Next, define success metrics. Different objectives helps you identify key metric to track progress. For an example, accuracy might not always be the best metrics. For imbalanced data set, metrics like precision, recall or F1 score could be more meaningful. Next, prevents scope creep. Difference, a well-defined objective keeps your project on track. It's easy to get sidetracked by trying to solve secondary problems also or addressing outlier cases. So a clear focus ensures your resources are directed where they matter most. Example of a clear objective. See, let's consider a health tech startup building a system to detect diabetic risk. The first vague objective might be, we want to use artificial intelligence in healthcare, that's it. But a clear objective would be, we want to predict the likelihood of a patient developing diabetes within the next 5 years with a model that achieves at least 85% recall. So this clarity shapes every aspect of the project, from data collection to model evaluation. Now, how to define a clear objective? The first one, be specific. State what your system will do, who it serves, and what defines success. Second, align with business goals. Say, ensure your objective solves a real problem or drives measurable value. Last but not least, prioritize simplicity. Avoid overlay ambitions goals in the initial stage, so you can refine and expand later. I just give you a real world case study for this. Take Google's search engine. Its early objective was clear: deliver the most relevant web page for a given query. This clarity helped shape everything from the algorithm used to the way search results are displayed. Over time, they expanded objectives like incorporating personalized results or voice-based research, but the foundation remained the same. So today's takeaway. So before you write a single line of code or build a model, define your system's objective with precision. A clear goal not only streamlines the development process, but also ensures your efforts create tangible value. And dear friends, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with everyone else whoever enjoy learning about AI and machine learning. And got any questions, doubts, or topics you would like me to cover next, drop them in the comments below. And I will be happy to dive deeper in upcoming videos. And thank you for watching, and see you in next video, dear friends. Happy learning.